let us do question 11 of exercise 8.1, in which we have to tell whether true or false and the reason about this. First part is the value of tan A is always less than 1. Value of tan of angle A, whether it is always less than 1 or not. Let us check. Tan of angle is equal to perpendicular over base, and perpendicular and base, perpendicular may be larger or base may be larger. If perpendicular is larger, then it is greater than 1, and if base is larger, then it is less than 1. So this implies this statement is false, because the value of tan A can be less than 1 or can be more than 1 depending upon the perpendicular and base value. Now second part is secant A is 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. Now what is secant A? Secant theta or secant of any angle is equal to the reciprocal of cos, that is b over h. Reciprocal is h over b, hypotenuse over base, and hypotenuse is always the larger side and base is the smallest. So base can be 5 and hypotenuse can be 12. So it is true. For some value of angle A, it is true because hypotenuse is larger. Now let us do third part. Cos A is abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. Cos A is abbreviation of cosine of angle A. We have done in the basics. So this is false. It is not for cosecant, it is for cosine. Cosec is for cosecant. Now fourth part is cot A is the product of cot and A. No, cot A is the angle, cotangent of angle at the point A. Cotangent of angle A. It is not the product. So it is false. Cot and A are not different. A is angle, okay, but cot is meaningless without any angle with it. Cot is not a term separately. Cot is the angles, cot theta, cot A, cot B, cot C. Some should be there with the cot. Cot alone is meaningless. So it is false. Fifth part is sin theta is 4 by 3 for some angle theta. Sin theta, sine of angle is P over H, but hypotenuse is always the greater side than perpendicular and base. So this part should be large, but here 4 is larger than 3, means perpendicular is larger than hypotenuse. It is not possible in any triangle. So this is false, and hence you can give the reasons and you can do this question like this.